Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning logo for your Shopify store using Canva. Let's dive right in. First, let's get started with Canva. Go to canva.com and log in or create a free account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, type logo in the search bar and hit enter. Now here you'll see a variety of logo templates. Let's choose one that fits your brand. Browse through the templates or use the filters on the left to narrow down your option. Now time to customize your logo. Click on the text to change the brand name. Like this. Now you may need to adjust some features like extending it so that Y also fits there. Like this. You can change the font by selecting a new one from the drop down menu at the top as well. Canva offers a variety of fonts. You can also add or remove elements like icons or shapes. You can simply find various options here. If you want to remove any element, you can choose here. Also, if you want to delete something like this, you can simply delete it. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to finalize it. Make sure everything is aligned and looks good. And after you've done that, click on the share button. Choose the file type you want. Click on download. And you can simply select whichever format you prefer. And that's all there is to it. And that's it. You've created a logo for your Shopify store using Canva.